What's up, guys? My name is Ganch, and what I'm holding in my hands is my Bluetooth speaker, and I'm going to do something pretty hilarious to it. So, guys, when I looked up on YouTube called the ps2 startup sound, not only that, it's the ear rape version. So I'm going to put it on I'm gonna connect this speaker, my Bluetooth speaker, to my computer. And then I'm gonna put that shit on the top volume, and hopefully my brother will wake up. This will be a funny thing. Okay, so now let me go on my computer real quick. Okay, now we're gonna open it, power it. Now, all right. So now, alright guys, so my mouse couldn't work, so I'm using the mouse pad on the computer. And anyways, that's a really cool wallpaper, by the way. Alright guys, I didn't enter my password. I'll see you guys when it's entered. Alright guys, so I just got my password. I got the computer unlocked. Everything I could. And first I check my Wi-Fi status. Like go into settings first. Because I know it says that I'm not connected, so I need to check it. Networks and internet. Alright guys, it says I'm not connected, so I need to connect to the Wi-Fi. I need to go to Wi-Fi. Sometimes alright guys, I'm gonna see you guys when everything's finished. Alright guys, so I got everything on. As you can see, my bedroom lights turned off because we gotta do this really good. So I'm gonna here's the ps2 startup ear rape mode. I'm gonna tap it right there. And we're gonna do this one. And first we're gonna turn on my speaker here. Hold on.
Power on.
There it goes. You need to move my remote. Alright guys, so we're gonna go to the settings and we're gonna connect it. Alright guys, right here we're gonna go to the search, we're gonna go to Bluetooth settings. Click that. We're gonna connect it.
Connected.
Sweet. Okay guys, we're gonna put this on the alright guys, let's do this. We're gonna put this up here. We're gonna put my speakers up there. We're gonna get out of the room. Oh, let's do this. I heard it. Breakfast is ready.
Should I give you that to you?
Nope. Turn on the lights. Let's go. Wake up. Jane, breakfast is ready.
So help me God, if you turn on the light, I'm gonna hit you in the face.
What?
Said, so help me God, if you turn on the light, I'm gonna hit you in the face.
Say it again.
So help me God, if you turn on the light, I'm hitting you in the face.
Oh my God, don't tell. Well, Jane, you know Clay's gonna yell at you, right? Fine. This is ready. Guys, that was a funny one. Because I'm going to play the video again. Guys, I'm gonna move this somewhere else. Guys, I'm And this is a perfect idea. Little boy, let's go. Let's go in the garage. Alright guys, I'm back. And I played, alright, let's put those on in the garage. This is about to bite this finger. Alright guys, let's do this in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Holy crap. Good morning. Morning. Alright. Good morning.
Okay, Gage, that means you want to be hit in the face.
No,
And that you want your speaker taken away.
basically I said to.
You want your speaker taken away. That's what I'm hearing.
Nope.
Yeah, no, that's exactly what you want. I heard, please take away my speaker.
Alright. Clay's said, Clay's gonna yell at you and say get out of bed. I'm trying to help you out.
No, you're not. You're a lying piece of shit. You're not trying to help shit. You're just trying to be an asshole.
No, I'm not.
Now you're lying.
Shut up.
Liar, liar. Gage is a liar.
No, because Clay said to get out
Liar,
of bed.
liar. Gage is a liar.
He's gonna yell at
Liar, liar.
He's
Gage is
gonna
a
say
liar.
get out of
Liar,
bed.
liar. Gage is a liar.
He's gonna say get out
Liar,
of bed.
liar. Gage is a liar. Liar,
he's going
liar.
to
Gage
say
is a
get out
liar.
of
Liar,
bed.
liar. Gage is a liar.
He's gonna say get out of bed. No, he's
I
gonna
mean,
say
I
that.
don't care. You just want your phone taken away. You just want your speaker taken away.
Oh, shut up.